Hello friends, today in this video I am gonna tell you what I did when I was learning English. I would like to share my experience. I think that will help the beginners to improve their speaking ability. So don't skip this video, watch till to the end. This video gonna very important for the beginners, and if you visit this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the video. While I was learning English, at that time I was pursuing my graduation as well, and finally I completed my graduation. After completing my graduation, I got to know I could understand English, I could read English, but I was unable to speak, I was unable to communicate to people. At that time I realized that I needed a lot of practice to communicate people, but I didn't have such kind of environment and such kind of friend with whom I could practice English easily. I didn't have such a friend who could correct my English, and I didn't have such an environment where I could practice English without any hesitation. So without having such an environment, I had to practice English daily because I wanted to improve my speaking ability. I wanted to communicate people in English. I got an idea. I started creating different stories on different topic. After creating the story, after thinking about the story, I used to tell the story myself. And I also tried to notice all the sentences, whether I could speak correctly or not. After that, I continued the same process for several days. Every day I used to create a story, and then I would try to speak the story myself. And it really helped me a lot to improve my speaking ability. If you create a story and if you tell yourself, and if you are able to correct your sentence, if you are able to know whether your sentences are correct or not, then definitely you will be able to speak, you will be able to communicate people. Whenever I got free time, I used to imagine different situations, and I used to create different stories, and I would try to speak different sentences according to the situation, according to the story. I did all these things when I was trying to improve my speaking ability. Sometimes I used to stand in front of a mirror and I started talking. I experienced all these things when I was learning English. If you practice daily at home, definitely you will be able to speak, you will be able to communicate to people. So to improve our speaking ability, we should try to create at least one story daily. If we create one story daily, and if we try to imagine one situation daily, and if we try to speak different sentences according to the story, according to the situation that you imagine, definitely it will help you to improve your speaking ability. We can't improve our speaking ability without any practice. So always remember, nothing happens overnight. You need to practice English daily for a period of time. If you keep practicing daily at home, definitely you will be able to communicate people, or you will be able to improve your speaking ability. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.